Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to cover formatting of column charts. We'll be looking at 12 specific formatting elements and how to do that in Microsoft Excel. And this is the data that we will be using for this exercise. It's the department and how many employees were in each department in 2021 and in 2022. Use this data and insert a column chart. This is what it'll appear, and that's what I have here as my starting point. Then are the grid lines. These grid lines, so I can right click on one of these horizontal lines, format grid lines, go to no line, and they remove those grid lines. So that's one option. The other option I most often end up doing is get a solid line, but use a very less visible color. So it's still there if you look hard for it, but it doesn't distract you. So this is what I would go with.